Season 2, Episode 34, Singer 221, Motor Lubrication. There are three things we will be looking at today. We're going to demonstrate how to oil and grease the motor. We'll also look at the needle bar oil port, which is missing a wick. There are two grease ports on the motor. The first one is easy to see, it's right there. The other one is down here. The other thing I want to show you, this is the top of the sewing machine. Here's where the faceplate goes. And if we look right down, if I move the camera, we'd look right down into the needle bar and the presser bar. There is the presser bar tension screw that adjusts the pressure on the pressure bar. Here is an oil port that oils the needle bar and, with parts around it. And here is the orifice, the opening. Now there is supposed to be an oil wick in there. In general, the machine is in good condition. Signs of neglect take years or decades to appear. Now I'll be getting in position to show you motor lubrication. That is what this film is about. My plan is to oil first and then grease. I'm ready to oil and grease. Here on the right we have the oil, there on the left we have the grease. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I set this up for my thumbnail for this movie. So what you're looking at right now is roughly the little picture that'll be in my thumbnail. Anyway, we're going to get to work. So there are two oil ports on the motor as mentioned before. The one is up here, and because we're angled to look at that one, we're going to deal with that one first. So what I used for cleaning it was these little cleaning sticks, these little cleaning ones, and they're really ingenious. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I bought these at the featherweight shop, sent away for them, and they're especially good for cleaning these motor lubricating ports. So when it was dirty this morning, I took a needle and I cleared out what I could get, and that's what I can get out of there right now. And if you look at this and see all the dirt on that's what I got out of the two oil ports, two grease ports, oil ports, grease. So they were both really, they had a lot of dust in them with their greasy concoction there. So I started with that, and then after that, I took this and I just went in until I could feel that I was hitting bottom, and then I just kind of rotated it and pulled it out. And see, now it's nice and clean, and we'll do the same thing to the other one. Now we're here at this side. So after I had cleaned it with a little brush there, that's what I did. I also took the needle to this one too and fished out a whole bunch of dirt. But here now it's grease, so that's a good thing. Actually, where's that grime coming from? Maybe it did come, maybe there was some dirt come out with the grease. But anyway, and then I put the little stick in, and I just kind of rotate that and make sure anything that's in there, I could hopefully get it out. And so those are really, these are really good little tools. And then the other thing I have is this. I bought this oil, comes in an applicator. I got that from the featherweight shop. And then all I do is, well, first of all, I'm going to put some oil in. So I'm going to put in a drop of oil. There's a drop point in there. And then now I'm going to squeeze in some grease there. And then same thing over here. We've already cleaned it out. We'll give it a drop of oil. Can I see a drop coming in off there? There was 2 drops, and it looks like it's full. Got a bit of grease. I'll wipe that off and put the tip in. So you can see the grease has come out through the top. So now it's greased and oiled, and we'll let time work its magic. Let me get a little paper towel I have here for these kind of cleanups. There. That's the motor lubrication video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for subscribing. Really appreciate your support. And take care of yourself. Stay safe. Have fun. And please do subscribe. And adios, amigos.